Let's look into the profound wisdom of a principle that has the power to transform our lives and strengthen our character. It is acting without scruple.
The comments, opinions, and views shared during this program are of those individual Freemasons and do not reflect the official position of a Grand Lodge, concordant body, appendant body, Masonic authority, or craftsmanonline.com.
Welcome to the Daily Masonic Progress Podcast with your host, Right Worshipful Brother Darren Allett.
In our fast-paced and modern world, it's easy to lose sight of our moral compass. We often find ourselves faced with difficult decisions, where temptation to compromise on our values for personal gain or to fit in with the crowd. It's in these moments that the principle of acting without scruple becomes a guiding light and reminds us of our sacred obligation to live with integrity and with honor. The phrase without scruple has meaning which is deeply rooted in the traditions of operative stonemasonry. And when we consider its definition of King James English, which is used by our ceremonies, scruple refers to a moral or ethical consideration that restrains one's actions. So therefore, to act without scruple means to act without hesitation or doubt and be fully committed to one's course of action. For our ancient and operative brethren, acting without scruple meant adhering to the highest standards of craftsmanship as well as integrity. They understood that the slightest deviation from the plans or the use of subpar materials or even just sloppy work in their craftsmanship could lead to disastrous consequences and thus endanger the lives of those who would eventually inhabit and live in the buildings that they constructed. But today in speculative Freemasonry, we apply this principle to our moral and spiritual lives. We are called to live according to our values and to act with honesty and compassion and to stand firm in our convictions even when faced with adversity as well as temptation. I want you to take a moment and imagine a brother who finds himself in a difficult situation at work. He's pressurized by his superiors to engage in unethical practices in order to secure a lucrative contract. In this instance, acting without scruple also means having the courage to stand up for what is right, even if it means risking his job or facing the disapproval of his colleagues and his bosses. Or perhaps we can consider a brother who witnesses an act of injustice or discrimination in his community. In this instance, acting without scruple compels him to speak out against the wrongdoing, to stand in solidarity with the oppressed, and to work towards creating a just and equality in society. But living according to this principle is not without its challenges. We may face resistance or even ridicule from those who don't share our values. We may be tempted to take the easy path, to compromise on our integrity for short-term gains. And it is in these moments that we must remember the consequences of straying from the path of righteousness. In operative stonemasonry, a lack of scruples could lead to the collapse of a building, resulting in at least severe injury, but in most cases death. So therefore, in Freemasonry, acting without any scruples erodes the trust and harmony within the lodge and damages relationships and undermines the very foundation of our fraternity. To successfully integrate the principle of acting without scruple into our lives, we must first look within ourselves and take the time to reflect on our values and examine our motives, as well as to uphold ourselves and be accountable to the highest standards of moral conduct. We must also surround ourselves with like-minded brothers who share our commitment to integrity and honor. Within the lodge, we can create an environment that fosters open dialogue, mutual support, and continuous self-improvement, which, by working together, we can help each other navigate the challenges of living according to this principle, but also celebrate the victories that we have along the way. When we consistently act without scruple, we experience a profound transformation in our lives. We become more confident in our decisions, knowing that they are aligned with our true selves. We build stronger, more authentic relationships based upon trust and respect. We find a deep sense of fulfillment in knowing that we're making a positive difference in the world. The path of acting without scruple is not an easy one by any means, but it is a path worth taking. It is a path that leads to personal growth, to a stronger and more vibrant fraternity, and of course to a better world for all. So, in embracing this principle with courage and conviction, knowing that by doing so, we're filling our sacred obligations as Masons, but more importantly, as men of honor. Let's be shining examples of integrity and moral fortitude, both within the lodge and without it, as well as in our daily lives. Let us embark on this transformative journey of supporting and inspiring each other as we strive to live without scruple. For it is only by walking in this path that we can truly embody the timeless wisdom of our craft and leave a lasting legacy of goodness and light in the world.
This has been the Daily Masonic Progress Podcast. If you've enjoyed this episode, make sure you follow us on Spotify or subscribe on Apple Podcasts. The Daily Masonic Progress Podcast is available on all streaming platforms with new episodes every week.